Each year at the South Bay Cities Council of Governments, we celebrate the South Bay City's achievements in advancing energy efficiency, sustainability, and environmental resilience through our South Bay Energy Climate Recognition Program. Cities earn points by promoting and hosting environmental programs and events, achieving energy-saving targets, and implementing initiatives that support a more sustainable South Bay. In this third year of the program, we are proud to say that all 15 cities qualified to win a distinction. We would like to acknowledge the special efforts of our first-time Platinum awardees, the cities of Carson, Gardena, Manhattan Beach, and Torrance. These cities went above and beyond, earning the highest possible number of points. Let's take a moment to highlight some of their impactful initiatives and efforts that helped them reach Platinum Award status.
One of our main initiatives is our EV charging pilot program. This is for residents in the city who have been approved to utilize our EV charging stations within our city.
This year, the City of Gardena worked on a few different initiatives and projects for energy efficiency. One of which we're very proud of is the commercial direct installation. We partnered with the San Joaquin Clean Energy Organization and Wilden, and we helped local businesses find ways to be more energy efficient.
So this past April, we adopted our Climate Action and Adaptation Plan. So that was a really exciting achievement. It was about 4 years in the making for our city. And we also worked very closely with SoCal REN and the COG on the Energy Resilience Action Plan. So we're completing that. We're hoping to get the final report this month. So we're really excited for that as well.
One of my favorites, which was our cool roof projects. We had several throughout various facilities, including our General Aviation Center at the airport. We had some other larger roof repairs for one of our larger renovations at the building and safety area as well. So those are some of the initiatives that we were targeting as far as improving our infrastructure.
Thank you to the Southern California Regional Energy Network and SoCal Gas for supporting this program. And thank you to all the South Bay cities who are championing the energy and climate initiatives that continue to enhance sustainability in the South Bay.